If CapCut is throwing error 4002, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step through the most effective methods, starting with a performance setting change, then clearing cache, and finally lowering your export settings if needed. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's jump straight in. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click Menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Inside the Settings panel, you'll want to find the Performance tab. This section controls how CapCut uses your computer's hardware while editing and exporting. One of the first things to try is unchecking or disabling the option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This feature can sometimes cause export problems, especially if your system drivers or hardware acceleration settings are conflicting with CapCut. After turning it off, click Save, then fully restart CapCut so the change can take effect. If error 4002 is still showing up after that, the next thing to do is clear the app cache. Cache files can build up over time and sometimes become corrupted, which can lead to export failures and random app errors. To do this, go back into Menu, then Settings, and look for cache size. From there, clear the cache data. Depending on how much you've been editing, this may remove temporary files that CapCut no longer needs, and it can free up resources for smoother exporting. After clearing the cache, close and reopen CapCut again before trying your export one more time. Now, if the issue continues, the problem may be related to your export settings rather than the app itself. In that case, reduce the load on CapCut by exporting at a lower resolution. For example, if your project is set to 4K, try dropping it down to 1080p instead. You can also reduce the frame rate if your project allows it. Higher resolution and higher frame rates put more pressure on your system, and that can trigger export errors like 4002 on some devices. A lighter export setting is often enough to get the video rendered successfully. If you're still stuck after trying all three methods, it's a good idea to check for updates to CapCut and your graphics drivers, since outdated software can also cause export issues. But in most cases, disabling hardware encoding, clearing cache, and lowering export settings will fix the problem. I hope this video helped you solve CapCut error 4002 quickly and get back to editing without the frustration. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.